Hey, welcome back. I'm Jason Hardy. I'm Pit Master with Elite Barbecue Smokers. Thank you for showing up. It's going to be fun with today. What we're doing today is Mexican tacos in the cast iron skillet on a stove right here. This is cooked inside the house. This meal right here is keto friendly. It's 30 minutes or less. It's in one pot and it's going to be dang delicious. Don't that look good? Aren't you looking forward to it? So let's get to prepping so we can get to cooking. So we got all our ingredients right here. All this is going to go in our cast iron kind of Mexican tacos here without the shells. We're doing this kind of a keto friendly. That's the whole purpose of this. We got our rice cauliflower here. We got a quarter cup of sour cream, quarter cup of blended Mexican cheese, quarter cup of cheddar cheese. We got 2 tomatoes right here. We got some chili, some green chilies, white onion, avocado, some banana peppers, a jalapeno, some taco seasoning, cilantro, avocado oil, and hamburger. Put everything together. We're going to cook it in a cast iron skillet. So let's start dicing everything together so we can get ready to start cooking. And the whole thing about this is we're trying to do a cast iron series right here of something other that kind of anybody and everybody can use whenever they're doing something at home or if they don't have a grill. So that's part of cast iron. So we're going to cook this today inside on the stove, but you can do this on the outside burner in the smoker or whatever itself. So do us a favor while you watch this video right here. If you see something in the video you like, give us a thumbs up. If you really like this video through the process, subscribe to our channel. We appreciate it. So we just took this off the stove right here. As you can see right here, you see all the cheese. Everything here is really good and melted here. It's still a little warm. Better not do that. You see the flavors, everything. All that's kind of mixed together. That's the whole purpose right here. This is a very simple recipe to make. It's keto friendly. It's one pot. It's on the stove. But you can do this outside. The whole purpose of this is to show you this recipe and show you this technique so you can take this and just do it at home. Do it inside or outside. It doesn't matter. That's the whole purpose of this cast iron series. So that being stated, let's taste this bad boy up. Let's see what it tastes like. By the way, Dolly is sitting right here. She is going nuts. So she is ready for this. Y'all hear that pitter pattern around here? That's Dolly. Taste it. So let's plate this up. We need a spoon. Find our spoon. So I'm gonna pour this up here. I want you to focus on something other. I want you to focus on all this gooiness. Look at this. Look at that right there. Look at that. Oh, you got a little bit on the table. Dolly got you some on the counter. Give me a little more. See that? So now here's the toppings for this. We got this here, you see my base ingredients. See the other things we made when we tops on top of it. Give you a little bit of sour cream on top of that. Give you a pinch of these super high octane jalapenos. By the way, don't touch your eyes after you chop these things. Done that a while ago. That was very hot. And now give me a little bit of my avocado we've got right here. Right on top of that. That's what you got right there, boys and girls. Now let's taste this bad boy up. I'm coming right down the middle of it. My sour cream, the whole 9 yards one time. That's good. Oh my Lord. And that is delicious right here. I'm telling you right here, the cheese, the cilantro, sour cream, the toppings, avocados on top of it. But you got the peppers in there, you got the hamburger meat, everything together. It's just truly, it's delicious. You don't want none of this, Michelle. You don't need none of this. You don't want none of this. This is good. Come on, you quit eating. But seriously, y'all, this is a very simple recipe. Take this recipe, go home and try it out. I promise you won't be disappointed. Just try this. Make your own version of this. Try different rubs. You don't like taco season? Barbecue rubs or steak season, whatever. But just try it. Just go out there and try that. And I promise you'll be happy. That being stated, we're going to say the blessing. I'm going to get us some supper here. But before we do that, we got to let Dolly try it. And she is staring at me right here. Alright, now we see if Dolly likes it. If Dolly likes it, you know it's going to be good. Let's see if she likes it. You ready? Come on, you ready for this? He's out my hand. Don't you bite my finger. Come on. Dolly liked it. If Dolly liked it, I reckon you would too. Let's say the blessing. Let's go eat some supper. Lord, bless food by receipt. Thank y'all for watching. See you next time. Hey, don't forget to subscribe. Give us a thumbs up. Really appreciate that. Now, Michelle can't have it, so I'm gonna eat the rest of this. You want to actually go inside and say, you're already inside. Don't need to go inside. That being stated, we'll say the blessing. We'll go outside. We're gonna go outside. We'll be inside here. Usually come inside. That's how you do it, Mexican style, cheesy tacos. That's how you do it right there. Meat barbecue smokers, Mexican cheesy tacos in a cast iron. It's gonna be delicious. So stick around. Do a taste test. Let's see how it looks.
Do a taste test, see how it tastes.
That's what you got, right? That's how you do it right there. Cast iron Mexican tacos.